Good Sunday, February the 17th, everyone. How's everyone doing? So it is Sunday. You know what that means? It means it is pancake time. I have a question. How come the first pancake never comes out as good as the rest? Why does that ever happen? I don't get it. Never understood that. My very special pancake only flipper. Look at that. Ooh, it looks pretty good. That's amazing. I guess because I've had this skillet on here for quite a while. But anyhow, man, yesterday I posted the video for about your dream car. I gotta say, man, the response has been absolutely fantastic. Nothing but positive comments, and a lot of this stuff has brought back like a lot of memories for me. People mentioning cars I didn't even think of, man. It's been great, man. The interaction and talking with everybody has been fantastic, man. This is it was a great idea to me, and it was a fairly easy video to make, and I mean the response, the interaction's been fantastic. So I got word from a body shop that I had contacted earlier. He said he is willing to take on the Camaro repairs, so I'm going to be stripping that fender off the Camaro later on, and then tomorrow, Monday, we're going to be running those parts down there, and man guys, let's keep our fingers crossed that he can get this paint to look decent. So if you're joining the vlog for the very first time, go ahead and consider hitting that subscribe button and give me a thumbs up. Support this veteran. He shares everything in his life and his love of cars, vacations, and everything else. Anyhow, a little problem with the Teespring store. I noticed that the logos right here were dead center of the shirts, and I'm not sure how that happened, but I went ahead and fixed it. Also, Teespring now offers two things: zip-up hoodies, which are awesome. I need to even get myself one. I don't really care for these. And then can sell overseas into England or Europe now, whatever. So now they accept that. They're shipping out of there. So now one of my subscribers, Formula One fan, recommended this type of coffee for my espresso machine, and I am on the hunt for it right now here in Walmart. Wasn't in the coffee section, so usually they kind of hide it here, where either that or they just don't have the cups that's compatible with my brewer. Alright, Formula One fan, I searched. They obviously don't sell the cups that are compatible with my brewer, but we'll go to Amazon and order, because I'm going to try out your recommendation, brother. Well, here they are. Here's two 2019 Camaro RS's right behind me. I've seen them in person back several months ago at Camaro Fest. I'm just not a big fan of them. And even here again, taking another look, even the RS, I'm sorry, man. It's GM. You just really screwed up with your redesigns. You even took the Cruise that you just redesigned and screwed it up too. Beautiful, but it's red and it doesn't have a sunroof, and I don't think it's 58. It was 61. I wonder what stickered at. I have to go on their website. God, oh my god, look at those things. Oh my god, it's got the carbon fiber hood. Oh my god, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. Even in red, it's gorgeous. Oh my god. So, good February the 18th. How's everyone doing today? Coming back here to grab my trailer. So, I can go ahead and load the front end and the parts of the Camaro on there and take it to this body shop, and let's hope this works. There we go, one mismatch painted Camaro bumper. When that comes back from paint, this is what I'm going to be left having to do to finish the car. Just a few parts. This piece goes right here behind. It actually goes right there where the door is. The That's going to go through the fender, of course, to the reservoir. Here's the plastic bumper and the styrofoam piece. These kind of go together, go behind the bumper. That's my pre-painted from GM lower spoiler. It goes on the front bumper, which why I don't understand why if they can paint that, a body shop can't. These pieces go in the hood. These pieces go in front of the tires. They're deflectors. I have the upper and lower grille, which if you look, these are very specific to the 50th anniversary. I have a new fender liner right here that goes into the wheel well there. One of these turn signals is new. One got broke. One of the LED thing right there, that one's new. The headlight's brand new. That is a $1,200 item from GM. I believe this was $200 or $300. Brand new grill for the one. The other one wasn't touched. A 50 emblem for the fender. And this piece actually goes behind that. So that's pretty much. Oh, and I got a wiring harness for the that goes into the actual front bumper that powers up these lights and the side markers and that. See, when the deer hit, it pushed everything back, and the wiring harness and that rubbed on the tire. So if you watch my rebuild video, I've already replaced all this harness here. Whoa. This harness here, which actually starts right here and goes into this fuse box and goes all the way around. All that wiring goes all the way the other side. So that was a bit of a chore, but I knew if I did it myself it'd be done right. So that's the reason I really didn't want to take it to a body shop and have them mess with the car, because it was just pretty much this harness here, because it was part of the headlight, came back and hit the tire. I understand the tire runs like right here, like because the tire is pretty close to here. You can see where the rotor is, so it's fairly close. And this harness rubbed up against the tire and got damaged. So that's my list of parts right here that just need to go back on the car, minus the front end and the bumper. So hopefully it won't be long. This guy will turn around, get it painted fairly quick, and then it'll be proper, and we can get all these parts back together, and I can get this poor car here back on the road. So let's go to the body shop. So the body shop wants me to run the original fender over to a paint company that actually has some type of high-tech camera that can take a picture and give a precise like color or whatever for the car. So that's what we're gonna do. I left the original or the new fender with him. He's gonna go ahead and just paint that. He said hopefully by the end of the week he'll have that done, and we can bolt it on the car and see if that matches. And if that's a good match, then we'll go ahead and commence with the front end. So that's where we're at now. Right now I'm heading to the paint shop. So let's go over there and see what this is all about. There you go, Formula One fan. This is what my machine uses. It uses that thing, and it's what they call an ESE pod. So I don't know. I tried to take your recommendation, bro, and get that kind of coffee, but it's just not going to work out for my machine. Sorry, I really wanted to try that out. If I ever get a machine that's capable, I will definitely get that. But sorry I didn't film the camera thing with the paint. Kind of, you know, I don't know the people, and it wasn't really open to the public, so I didn't want to bust out a camera and start taping them, you know. But basically what it turns out is this is called Nightfall Gray Metallic, which GM actually called Son of a Gun Gray. But anyway, there's 3 different shades of this paint. So basically they do is take like some type of camera thing in a very bright light, and they shine it into the paint, and they have like paint chips next to it, and they can compare like the texture or tone of the paint. So that's what all that was about. Like I said, right now he's painting the fender. If we put this on and it matches, we'll go ahead and get the entirety of the front end and paint it. So also exciting news. I watched a video that YouTube puts out for creators. It's about putting subtitles in the bottom. So those of you that may be hearing impaired or may need to watch where it's quiet, I'm now, as of like my last vlog, adding the American subtitles. And I have my wife's family's in Russia, and they like to watch the vlog too, but they don't understand what I'm saying. So I'm now adding Russian subtitles too. I just figured out how to do this. It's pretty friggin' awesome and exciting technology that they have. This can auto translate this stuff. It's just kind of a hidden thing that don't really let us know about. But anyhow, working on the vlog right now, and I want to kind of add this, so let me get back at it. Isn't that a song? Somebody has a sense of humor. Attention Walmart shoppers, we now have pizzas, 2 for $10. Yeah, anyway, I looked it up. That song is by Simon and Garfunkel. Rosemary, sage, thyme, parsley, something like that. We're on our like every other day trip to Walmart, and I don't even know why she's looking at some pre-made sandwiches.
Because nobody cook.
Well, you the cook. Yeah.
I've been busy cleaning.
Cleaning?
Planting.
Yeah, you playing in your garden.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And he was a good husband. She cook.
I do cook.
Haven't cooked anything today. What's all Americans have? What's that? What's inside here?
Well, supposedly these are illegal in the United States, but here they are. The Kinder Egg, supposedly it's a choke hazard because there's a toy inside, but it's good. I've never tried one. Supposedly, I guess it must be illegal now, but oh yeah, there's a choking hazard. I'm gonna try one. So what better way to end the vlog than here at Walmart? Got to pick up a few things, looking for a clamp for the GoPro, and you know, just some fun electronic stuff. But anyhow, it's time to end the vlog. So real quick, thank you everyone for your continued support. Subscribership's jumping up there, so if you haven't subscribed, go ahead and do that now. And give me a thumbs up, support this veteran sharing everything in his life and my love and passion of cars, trying to bring you the best videos possible. So again, thank you everyone for your support, and we will see you next Saturday for the next vlog. Thanks for watching. You still here? The vlog's over. Go home.
So stop videotaping already.
That's the end of my video then.
Seriously.